Today I am using a 0.5 crochet hook needle along with natural color hair. So what you see here is the dreads. We have rebuilt them, we have added hair to them, we also added tops to them so they can be stored. We also removed the thread that was previously used to hold or attach the dreads together. This is how the client's head looked before we attached them. As you can see, some dreads are already have been previously styled. We're not going to mess with that. What we're going to do is just attach the dreads to the top. Here we have medium to small size parts, so I try to part it identical to the ones that's previously there. It's pictured right here. Looking through the hair, I noticed that there was some locks with a few thin spots or soft spots, so I went on ahead and added hair and restored each lock. So here we are finished. I have restored, rebuilt, and installed the dreads that was missing. I try to make sure that it still looked natural, that they was not added back onto the hair. I wanted them to still look like they was coming from the root. So this is the result. Please, if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe.